Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your online banking by requiring not only a password but also a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on your central bank account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the central bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section in the main menu. This is where you will find options related to account security. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin a setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realize it. Use this to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your verification method, you may need to enter a code sent to your chosen device. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a notification that 2FA is now enabled on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your central bank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your verification method secure and up to date.